Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom dashboard pages on Wix. Let's get started. So a dashboard page is something that is only accessible to the actual owners or editors of your site. So in order to get this one, what we can do is we can click on this dev mode right here and turn on developer mode. So this will turn on a developer mode that can help us add some things to our actual website. So let me just minimize this for a bit, and then in here you should be able to see some few things. So click on pages and menu right here, and on the pages and menu you can see all of these things right here. Now if you click on add menu item, you should be able to see this new page as well. However, you should also have the option to actually add this as a dashboard page. So there's a lot of developer tools that you can use for this one right here. Now let me just add in a new page. Then this new page can be a blank page. Now this blank page will serve as a dashboard or an admin panel of my actual page that I have created. So this page right here, you can see this here as well. So let's name it dashboard right here. So click on done. And here you can also see that it will be dashboard. So just right click on this, and then you can also see in here the settings for that. So there's some layout and there's some permission. So for this permission, you can actually add in password holders or members only in here. Now using this will actually help you do this into seamlessly and make sure that you have access to this one to the people that you're entrusted it with. So for example, it can be password holders or members only. So for me, I'll just choose in the page password that I want to add. For example, I would add in lollipop as a page password right here. Now in here, this dashboard can be hidden and can be accessed through different changes on your system. So let's head over and see what the dashboard will look like right now. So here's our dashboard. What we can do is we can actually head over and add in some few more things on our dashboard settings right here. Now, let's head over in here again to our dashboard, and then let's add in few things. So as you can see, there are some elements that we don't need. So we can actually just delete that if we want. So let's head over and then just add in a few elements that we want. You can add in repeaters that have the default that is on your actual admin board. So you can use repeaters here, just like this, that you can actually utilize to your name. So let's add in this one, and let's put this right here. Then as you can see, it will be added just like this. So you can also add in members only forms or anything like that. And in here you can see everything that we can use for this specific coding process. So if we open this CMS right here, you should be able to see your collections that we can use for this one that we can integrate on our dashboard. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.